This video will quickly demonstrate how you are going to perform the urinalysis lab involved in lab number 12 of this semester. When you go to the Canvas website, you're going to go into module number 12, and under the lab, it will give you the different exercises to perform. Now, in person, we would do each one of these steps. I'm going to quickly demonstrate what you would expect to see in each one of these steps. Now, as you read through the instructions, you'll be able to see everything I'm describing here. You will be given 4 urine samples. The case studies will be written in your course guide, telling you about each one of the patients, some of their background history, and some of the details. You're going to take a look at the physical characteristics of each one of the samples. So you'll do a visual inspection of each one of them. You'll test the pH of each one of them. You'll perform a Benedict's test, which looks for the presence of sugar. And so you'll add that to the ingredients of the sample and be able to see if there's the appropriate color change as described in your course pack. Put it into boiling water. And then you'll come up with, you can see one of the tubes has very clearly had a positive reaction. The Biuret test is used for protein, and that's where you'll take a fresh sample of simulated urine and add the Biuret solution. And again, you'll look for a color change. This time you will not need to use the water bath. You'll record the data. Finally, for microscopic observation, you will make a wet mount slide of each sample. You will be looking for the presence of erythrocytes, leukocytes, or renal calculi, stones. These are the results that you will find. And so these results will tell you what is in each one of the samples looking under a microscope. Now, you're welcome to contact your classmates, work in groups, read the case studies, answer all the questions in the worksheet, and then the worksheet is what you will turn in for your assignment. When you, oops, wrong one. Let's go back over here. Down below, you will see a urinalysis lab worksheet, and I'm going to place that up underneath the instructions here. You'll click on that, and that will give you all the data that I just showed you a moment ago, as well as ask you 10 questions, answering the case studies and information from the lab itself. You'll complete that, you'll submit that. That will be your entire Lab 12 assignment. That will include both the upload and the paragraph will all be in that one 2-page document. And so complete that, email me if you have any questions. Good luck.